ready to unlock hidden insights and skyrocket your business performance. Microsoft Excel is far more than just spreadsheets. It's a powerful business tool that can transform the way you operate. We will explore just a few of the capabilities within the next minute. First, data analysis. Excel lets you sort, filter, and analyze your business data to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities. Simply highlight your data range and experiment with the many filtering options to view granular data points. Next, financial modeling. Build comprehensive financial models to forecast revenue, analyze expenses, and make informed investment decisions. Take advantage of Excel's built-in formula library to easily create models. Excel simplifies creating professional reports and dashboards to communicate your findings effectively. Use the Insert tab to find a variety of charts to showcase your findings. Automate repetitive tasks with macros and VBA scripting to save time and improve efficiency, which saves you time and money. And finally, use Excel templates for a variety of business needs like budgeting, project management, inventory tracking, and much more. Microsoft Excel can revolutionize decision-making and drive growth. Subscribe to learn more about Excel and how you can unlock its power to make data-driven decisions.